Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting load-bearing posts and the decking where failure usually begins. Look for soft wood and loose fasteners because these dictate repair scope. Once done, measure span and note waterline and exposure to decide material grade and fastener type. Make sure to mark which boards lift. You then prepare tools and replacement parts: pry bar, saw, 1/2 or 3/4 decking, galvanized or stainless hardware, so you can remove damaged sections quickly and safely. You next remove damaged decking and fasteners, working from an edge toward the center to avoid sudden collapse. Use a pry bar and saw to cut only the rotten sections. Once clear, evaluate posts. Sistering with new treated lumber or replacing posts prevents future sag, and maintaining the original pitch keeps drainage correct. Then install replacement decking with consistent 1/8 gaps for drainage and expansion. Use 304 stainless or hot-dip galvanized fasteners. You finish by sealing exposed cut ends and applying a suitable marine-grade finish to slow moisture ingress. Make sure all bolts and screws are torqued to spec so connections remain rigid. Once coatings cure, perform a load and movement test. Walk across, press on edges, and watch for wobble or trapped water. This confirms structural integrity and drainage. If problems persist, inspect flashing, hidden ledger connections, or groundwater sources, because unseen moisture is often the reason repairs fail and rot returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.